Those are the two topics for 7.4. And if I can do graphing an inequality today, I think that's good. Well, what is an inequality? Let me give a little fact about that. An inequality has a greater than, or a greater than or equal to. It has less than or equal to sign. It does not have what? It does not have equals. It's going to have one of those other symbols in the place of an equal sign. In 7.4, we're graphing problems like this. Graph x plus 5. That's not what I wanted to write. Let's scratch that out. Graph x plus y is less than or equal to 5. That's what I wanted to write. I'm going to work this problem out. I will give some of the notes as I work it out and talk about what's what. I got to give the directions. Graph x plus y is less than or equal to 5. For the solution, first, graph x plus y equals 5. So we're looking for the intercepts. Find the intercepts. The x-intercept, I'll do y equals 0. So x plus 0 equals 5, x equals 5. This gives me an ordered pair, 5, 0. And then I need to find the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, x equals 0. So that's going to give me 0 plus y equals 5, y equals 5. 0, 5. Now I'm going to set up my line, my xy axis. 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the x-axis and put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the y-axis for 0, 5. I'm going to put a few more lines here, a few more tick marks on my graph. Connect the dots. I'm going to throw this question out there. Some of you are going to know the answer. Some of you are going to not quite maybe know what I'm asking. But is my line solid or dashed? Solid. Because x plus y is less than or equal to 5. We got the equal to part. That little extra line, solid line. A lot of times I'll put it solid and then I have to go back and erase some if it's dashed, but this is going to be a solid line. This line gives me a picture of every ordered pair that works in this graph. For example, it looks like 1, 4 is on this line. 1 plus 4, is it 5? Yes. It looks like 2, 3 is on that line. Does 2 plus 3 equal 5? Yes. Let's look at some points not on the line, because that's what we're doing for the inequalities. Let's look at a point like 1, 1. X plus y is less than or equal to 5. 1 plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. Is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes. This is true. Let's plot that point. I know in the material they say you just have to plot 1 point, but I want to plot a few more. Let's check -1, 2. -1 plus 2, is it less than or equal to 5? 1 is less than or equal to 5. That's true. 1, 2, -1, 2 is right there. What about 0, 0? 0 plus 0 is 0, that's less than 5. What happens is you end up with, hang on just a second or be very quiet, all points here are true. All points on the other side are false. So we shade the true side. We'll take a shading device and shade the true side for the graph of this.